Opening with a splash. The art of making an impressive start. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricacies of the English language to help you improve your skills. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's all about making memorable beginnings. Opening with a splash. Whether you're a writer, a speaker, or just someone looking to make a great first impression, understanding this expression can add a powerful tool to your communication arsenal. Let's dive in. Opening with a splash is a vivid expression used to describe the act of starting something in a very noticeable, impressive, or effective way. It's all about making a big impact right from the beginning, catching attention, and setting the tone for what's to come. This phrase can be applied to various scenarios, from launching a new product or service, giving a presentation, starting a novel, or even introducing yourself in a memorable way. While the exact origins of the phrase, opening with a splash, are hard to pinpoint, it's likely derived from the literal action of something hitting water and creating a splash, immediately noticeable and dramatic. Over time, this imagery has been adopted in figurative language to describe actions that have a similar impact in non-literal contexts. To truly grasp how opening with a splash works, let's look at some examples. In literature, an author might start a novel with a dramatic event or a surprising twist to captivate the reader's attention from the very first page. In business, a company may launch a new product with a high-profile event or an innovative marketing campaign to generate buzz. In presentations, a speaker might begin with an intriguing story or a shocking statistic to engage the audience immediately. So, how can you open with a splash in your endeavors? Here are a few tips. 1. Know your audience. Tailor your opening to the interests and expectations of your audience. 2. Be bold. Don't be afraid to take risks or try something new to stand out. 3. Use strong imagery or stories. These can be incredibly effective in grabbing attention. 4. Deliver value right away. Show your audience immediately why what you're presenting is worth their time. Opening with a splash is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful strategy for making an unforgettable first impression. Whether you're writing, speaking, or launching something new, starting with a significant impact can captivate your audience and set the stage for success. We hope this exploration inspires you to think about how you can make your own splash in your next endeavor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.